This is Mr. Herod. I'm back with my, count 'em, third recorder lesson. And we have studied the note B. We have studied the note A. We have studied how to blow lightly and use a d, d, d sound. Here's our B note just to review, which is first finger and a thumb on the pads of your finger. Here's an A note. Keep the same thing. You just drop down the second finger, A. Wonderful. And now we're going to add another note. Drop down 3, and you have G. It's my right hand, but it's your left hand. Be sure it's left hand on top. And here's the G. The lower you go, the lighter you blow. So you have to really get a good seal on it and blow very lightly. Here's what the G sounds like. You notice I made a D sound, one long tone interrupting the sound with a D. That's what it sounds like. Now if you're getting any other note, that means you've got one of your other fingers, or that third one doesn't have a good seal. So what do you do? Well, you're playing the G and you can't get it to sound right. Bring up that third finger and get a nice A sound, which you should have before moving on to G, and then drop down. Don't move anything, and drop that third finger down really good and strong and get a good seal on it. Nope. Get a good seal on it. There it is. There's your G. Very good. And then let's review what it looks like on the staff. Remember, we start at the bottom, line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the line family, space 1, 2, 3, 4 for the space family, treble clef, every good boy does fine for the line family, F, A, C, E for the face family. So far we've done the third line B, every good boy. We've done the second space as an A, F, A. Now we're adding the second line, every good, G, B, A, G. Those are the three notes that we're working on. So, my right hand, your left hand. Let's echo. Let's do just the G note first. Me first, then you. Get a good seal. Good. Here's another one. Wonderful. Here's another one. Last one. Very good. Now let's make it just a little bit more challenging, and let's go back and forth between A and G. A and G. We're going to start on A. Everybody see my A? We're starting on A. 4-beat pattern, me first, then you. Here we go. Good. Here's another one. Wonderful. Here's another one. Good. Last one. Very good. How did you do? Did you do okay? All right. Let's make it a little bit more challenging. How about we do all three notes, combinations of B, A, and G, and actually this is going to be the beginning of a song called Hot Cross Buns, which you can look up online under Carl Herod Recorder Songs, and it'll be there. I think it's called Hip Hop Cross Buns. I'm going to start on a B. All right, here we go. Me first, then you, starting on a B. Now I'm putting my fingers up high like this so you can see what I'm doing. You shouldn't do that. You should keep your fingers right above the hole. See how they're right above the hole, but they're not touching the hole. And then just drop down the finger up and down like that. Because you don't want to do all that. That's too much work. We'll start on a B. Here we go. Good. Very good. Last one. And that was hot cross buns. Very good. Okay, just to recap, we've done B, first finger and a thumb. We've done 2, which is the A, second space A, and the third finger, G. Very good. Hang on, we got more coming.